Chief Sir Patrick Anakwe Ezechikwelu Danfulani was born on the 19th of February 1932 in Umudunu, Agbaja, Abatete. He was the last child and second son of Onwenyi Igweonwu Anaekwe, his father, and Nwangbafor, Nwanyi Anaekwe, his mother. Sir Patrick Anakwe was a devoted Christian, a loving father, a husband, grandfather, and a renowned businessman, philanthropist, entrepreneur, and also a knight of Saint MULUMBA. On the 30th of July in the morning, his body left the Yenu Mission Hospital, Ogidi, Anambra State, followed by a procession to his home for his lying in state. His body was conveyed into his compound in Chariot, accompanied by his family, friends, and well-wishers. His family and loved ones took turns to see the deceased for the last time before he is laid to rest. The knights were not left out too, as they did theirs according to the order of the night.
Come to the fortress, helpless look to thee for grace, for I to the fountain fly, wash me, Savior, all I done.
After the lying in state, the family, friends, and loved ones proceeded to St. Dominic's Catholic Church, Umudunu, Abatete, for his burial mass. The Anekwe Memorial Primary School pupils, an elementary school founded by Chief Sir Patrick Anakwe, accompanied with their school band. The Mass was officiated by Reverend Father Leonard and host of other priests. His first son, Chief Jude Okechukwu Anekwe, and his first daughter, Chief Barrister Ifeoma Helen Mbakwe, took the first and second readings for the Mass.
Then compose yourself after your grief, for grief can bring on an eternity, and headache destroys one's life.
And bring us off from the love of Christ, and hardship of distress, or persecution, or lack of food and clothing, or friends, or violence. No.
The Reverend Father spoke on how good and peaceful Chief Sir Patrick Anakwe lived his life, stating that his life is worth emulating as he left an undying legacy and urged his children to follow his footsteps. He also consoled and encouraged his family as he prayed for the fortitude to bear the pain of losing such a great man.
Daddy na Monica, the sister of Napono, Rioge, the sister of Nwangbafor, when our Lord Father, what did he see? One who sacrifice, Komelifa. The better was one now, the father, the Otu Christian Nogada, Jesus.
Towards the end of the Mass, Chief Jude Okechukwu Anekwe recognized the congregation present at the Mass, including the priests, knights, and all from far and near, in appreciation for finding time to pay last respect to their father.
Ebe sigoro nata maka akwamozu nwa unu ga-alaghachi n'udo na ọṅụ site na Kristi onye nwe anyị.
As the Mass ended, there was an orderly procession back to his compound where he was buried. As he was led to eternal rest. His mantle, the sword of the knights, was handed over to his first son, Chief Jude Okechukwu Anekwe, Friends of Chief Barrister Helen Ifeoma Mbakwe, the first daughter to late Chief Sir Patrick, supported her and her family with a sum of 10 million naira, which she donated to the needs of the church and that of the Anekwe Memorial Primary School, Abatete.
Giving the church a total of 10 million naira for the roof and for the needs of the school. Thank you.
Interment follows immediately. Nollywood legends and great personalities like Bet Edochie, Onwenyi Igweonwu Chiwetalago, amongst others, were all present as they spoke highly of late Chief Sir Patrick Anakwe. Chiwetalago explained him as a man of peace, said he lived a very quiet and peaceful life, always willing to support everyone around him, including the movie industry.
Papa Anakwe. Papa Anakwe film. Even as a film, Jamadana production. Jamadana.
Different masquerades were in display as they entertained the guests with their unique style, dance, and steps. Chief Sir Patrick Anakwe lived a remarkable life. He was very accommodating. He blessed so many souls around him. He was a practicing and devoted Christian, a father to all. These and many more were heard from people of different walks of life that has encountered Chief Sir Patrick Anakwe in their different ways.
That God will be with the family, the Anakwe's family. God will continue to protect and guide and protect them always. Amen.
He's a father to us. He's a very nice man.
You have done wonderful things in Jos. I'm the one man for Shakira. When I came to this village, I heard things you have done more in this village.
So, kita, I be along Kai, Fire Papa, Sir Patrick Anakwe. I say, I'm not I am Elijah, it's Lagos, maybe.
Children have been able to go to the mom and then about Bella and they are gala and come and come. Still tell you, silent wife, then the queen in the garden.
I need them, I know you.
Great man. Humble and peaceful. And I want to thank everyone that came. Praying that God grants them 20 messages back. In Jesus' name.
Thanksgiving Mass also took place at St. Dominic's Catholic Church, Agbaja, Abatete. The family thanked God as their father's burial went so well without impediment. They showed their sincere gratitude to God for their family. After the Thanksgiving Mass, the media team that covered the event, Magnus Media TV, arranged for their family photo shoot so as to document the memories.
That the good Lord will help us. Pray along with us and we will pray along with you. Plateau is one of your homes. So remember them at any time in your prayers. Remember you too in our prayers. Thank you. We don't have much to say except
we want to say thank you and thank you and thank you.
They consoled and encouraged the family as they make their way back to Jos.
Yes, you just maybe also to so the mother or guy. So you are to your canoe. You were many and a full of 7 are going to say. Now, just in short. I have no idea.